Hello guys, MakeBox here and I'm back with another video. And in today's video we'll be talking about something important. I noticed that when I record it appears in this form. It's not covering the whole of the screen, and I have a very simple tip to fix that. And how to fix that, to go about that, is this. First of all, you have to make sure that your display capture, you right click, you go over to transform, edit transform, and make sure you do stretch to bounds, and then align bound with border, make sure it's centered, and then click close. And then on that thing you can do is these arrows here, simply stretch them out and then stretch them out. Now when you're done, you will notice that it's going to fix that issue automatically. So if you found this video helpful, kindly give it a like and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.